If you're getting to where you're really mastering those hip 90-90s and you are pretty flexible and you want to keep working some hip control and stability, you can do a hip 90-90 into a knee lift. So what you're going to do here, you'll come into that 90-90, and at first you might need your hands to support it, but you can kind of propel yourself up using the outside of that glute to lift your body up and get that little stretch through those hips while you're up at the top. And then you use those outside hip muscles to control yourself down, hands as you need to, and you can rotate the other way. Come on up. Control it down. Rotate through. You want to try to make this as active on those glutes as you can, kind of getting an active stretch to your groin on the one side and the inside thigh on the other. Control it down. So at first you're probably going to need your hands to help guide you up and through.